Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Solutions. New at our channel? Please subscribe to be a part of us. Let's dig in. Do you want to install FreeBSD13 quickly without any errors? FreeBSD is an operating system used to power modern servers, desktops, and embedded platforms. A large community has continually developed it for more than 30 years. Its advanced networking, security, and storage features have made FreeBSD the platform of choice for many of the busiest websites and most pervasive embedded networking and storage devices. Let's begin installing. Boot with multi-user support pressing 1. Let's choose Install at this FreeBSD installer screen. You can use the live CD ISO if you have no plans to install FreeBSD. Let's select Install and hit Enter. Let's continue with the default keyboard map. It is English US. You can select other keyboard maps as well. Choose a host name in the following pattern for your FreeBSD. Choose your optional system components to install. You can skip installing the debugging equipment. You can choose the rest to install as being a recommended practice. Choose Auto ZFS Guide Partition Method. It's the safest and quickest and recommended for FreeBSD. You can further choose your partition scheme, your swap size, disk encryption as well. Default options are good enough. You can just choose Install to proceed with the installation. No redundancy needed. Choose your disk. Final warning for disk format. Format it. Choose a root password. Choose a complicated and tough password for your root account on FreeBSD. Configure your network as shown for IPv4 and IPv6. Select a region and time zone. Choose the services you should like to be started at the boot. Not sure? You can choose the same as in the video. Let's add a user to the installed system now. Follow the shown instructions for adding a new user. FreeBSD13 installation is successfully completed. Let's reboot and move towards stage 2 of the installation. Reboot stage 2 of the installation is to add the graphical desktop on our FreeBSD13. Log in with the created username in the previous step. Switch to root user to install pkg and sudo. Install them with the shown command. Done installing? Let's install Xorg and XFCE. You must install them to have graphical desktop. You can install them as shown. This may take some minutes to download and install all the required packages. So have patience and enjoy a drink during installation. This may complete shortly. It's done. Let's install Vim to edit some configuration files. Install Vim as shown. Vim is installed now. Edit the shown file. The path must be showing on your screen. We are going to edit rc.conference file. Add the shown parameters and save the file. Also edit the file for executing XFCE4. Save the file. Reboot your FreeBSD13. Log in with your username. Use *X to start the XFCE desktop on your FreeBSD13. Enjoy using your FreeBSD13. Anything to ask? Comment it. Thanks for watching. Good day.